Hello and welcome to this new indie game that is very good, the Karbala Space Program. It is a game all about launching rockets and satellites and spacecrafts into orbit and reaching different planets, and it is amazing. I have spent many hours on this game, well, the demo at least, and I went ahead and bought it. Let's go ahead, start game. Start new, player name. Of course it is. Let's look at, what do we got for flags? Let's see. This one's kind of cool. Actually, I like this one better. It's a better flag. This is a cooler picture. There we go. Pick my hexagon flag and start. Alright, so this game is in development, so it's not completely done, but it is still very good. This is a hangar. This is where you can make space planes, I believe, and store them. Never made one of those before. Here's your launch bay. You launch your rockets. This is where you build your rockets. This is the tracking station, which shows like orbits and stuff of your current flights in progress, which we have 0, but we can build all these kinds of things. So let's go ahead, go back, and let's go ahead and build just I'm gonna go ahead and build a very generic rocket because I don't really know what any of these things are. So go ahead and start with first thing we have to do, name all spacecraft. This spacecraft will be called the Moon Lander Mark 2. Mark 1. There we go. Even though it's probably not going to land on the moon, we will try our best. And hopefully make better names. Okay, so this is our command pod. That's where our little Karbala astronauts, which are down here, will be. Now we need propulsion. Actually, science. Do we want any science things on there? Maybe not yet. Oh, I know one thing we do need is SAS module. That keeps us stable, so we know what we're doing. Definitely need that. Not sure what any of those things are. Well, let's go ahead and, I don't know what this does. Oh. Let's put some thrusters on this thing. Go ahead and find a fuel tank. This is as good as any. So this is liquid fuel. So we need a liquid fuel engine. It's got a lot of engine power. Don't think I'll need that much because this will be the one that's in space. This looks good. So let's boost you up. Now, are there any solid fuel things in here? Solid fuel. Here's some solid fuel, but I'd like to have a big tank of it. Actually, what's this thing? There's that. Oh, I know what I need. Oh, I actually need a parachute. which these won't fit on that. Ah, this will work. Get my parachute. Put it over here. And there we go. I need a decoupler. Here we are. Put a decoupler there. Put that there. I'll need another decoupler there. Alright, that looks pretty good. Oh, that's just 2. I want one that has 3. I know there's one that has 3. Ah, here we go. So that should hold 3 rockets. Oh jeez, nope, that won't work. I don't want that. Solid fuel. And I want 3. 3 of them. That looks pretty good, pretty aerodynamic. So now I need to figure out what to do here. So these rockets will go, and then that decoupler breaks off, and then that goes. So I actually want this to happen simultaneously, that to happen simultaneously, and the last thing I need is some wings. Okay, those too big. These look kind of cool. Put some wings on here. Let's see what it looks like. Looks like a dart. A weird dart. Well, here we go. Let's try it. Don't know what those are. Wait. Let's look at science real fast. Thermometer, utility. This is all for, like, if you're going on the moon, which I am not. I'm just gonna try and get this thing to get to space and have an orbit, which actually is a lot in this game. So hopefully, let's go ahead. Mission flag. There we go. Okay, I've got, make sure this is right. I've got the thrusters, that, then it goes to the second thruster, and then decouples and is a parachute. So let's try it. Launch. Mondlander Mark 1. So what I need to do is turn my, here's my guy, Quarter Fred Kerman. Looks kind of excited. I turn my SAS on, turn RCS on. I don't remember what RCS does. SAS makes you be stable. Throttle up to max. And we'll launch in 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Oh yeah. It's perfect. It's working beautifully. However, I am already halfway done with my solid fuel boosters, and they are starting to overheat, but not very fast. And I'm still not very high up. But I am gaining... uh-oh. Hopefully I have enough fuel to get into space. Because we don't want to land back on Earth, because it is very barren on Kerbal. Uh-oh. I'm already running out of fuel. Alright. Goodbye, solid fuel boosters. This is all the fuel I have left to get into space. But I am climbing very fast. Let's go look at the map. This is my orbit so far. And I'm not doing very well. However, now I'm gaining good. I'm gaining 1,000 per second. far away is this? Once that gets to 2,000. Alright, cut the fuel. So now I cut the fuel, I am in orbit, so I made it into space. So now comes the tricky part. Getting into space is actually the easiest part in this game. Now I want to get to this. Because once I get to that, this Aposis, I think it's called, not sure at all, then I can try and get my orbit to not look like that. So, looking pretty steady still. Let's go ahead and speed up a little bit to get closer. Okay, I'm getting close. Getting close now. And okay, stop. Now what I need to do is turn SAS off and control this myself. Get right there, right in between these, and then go. Use my thruster, full throttle. And as you can see, the orbit is starting to expand, which is good. That's what we want. It's doing well. Now, hopefully, I'm running very low on fuel. Very, very low, very fast. Oh dear. Come on. Uh-oh. Not good. So, I'm out of fuel and stuck in space. And I'm going to land in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Well, not in the middle, but by the Pacific Ocean. I guess let's go ahead and speed up time. Oh, can't do that. Oops. Throttle down, don't have any fuel anyways. Going through space. Okay. Don't care. Oh, now I'm gonna land here, which I believe that's Thailand? I can't tell. I don't know. This isn't Earth, so I guess it doesn't matter. Looks kind of like Earth. Uh-oh. We are getting very close to Earth, and I actually need to... Oh, shoot. Whew. I was on fire. My guy was getting he's pretty terrified. But we got the parachute out. Ooh, that was close. There's something way over there. My debris. So, we're almost on Earth. In a new land. Okay, something just crashed over there. He looks quite terrified and afraid. Alright, let's speed this up. Getting close now. Boom. Alright, we landed. Heck. There's my little guy. Ugh. Well, you're alive. First flight. Our astronaut made it. So, gotta go with that. Next time, I probably will come back to this game. Next time, I'll kind of learn more and figure out how to make like satellites and cooler astronaut things. So, me and what's your name? We'll just call you Kerman for now. Me and Kerman want to thank you for watching, and we will see you next time on the next flight in the Kerbal space program. Bye.